What's up guys, in today's video we'll be making a delicious and easy to make fudge that you can make right at home with any ingredients you may already have. Place a medium-sized pot on your stove and fill it partly with water. You only need the water to boil, so put the heat to high. While the water is heating up, we will prepare our ingredients. Let's start by placing 2.5 cups of chocolate chips and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 15 ounces. Mix both of those ingredients completely. Once the water has reached boiling temperature, we will place the glass bowl with our mixed ingredients on top of the pot. Mix constantly to fulfill and incorporate the chocolate and condensed milk. After the ingredients have fully combined, remove the mixing bowl from the heat. Be careful not to burn yourself and place it aside. At this point, we can place the chocolate in the mold. Choose whatever form you want, but remember to line the container with some parchment paper so that the fudge doesn't adhere to the sides. Now with your fudge in its new home, you can top it with any topping you desire. With all that out of the way, place the fudge inside your fridge and let it cool for 4 hours at least. You can even get back to it tomorrow, the fudge won't care. Now with our fudge cooled and solidified, we can remove it from its mold. As long as you line the container, it should come right out and be ready for slicing. Cut your fudge into whatever shape you're into. We went with squares and tidied it up by cutting any excess off the edges so the shape is even. We tucked the excess and made pretty little bows. We then top it off with a light drizzle of melted chocolate. At this point, you're all done and achieved the goal of making delicious fudge without even stepping foot in a candy store. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for watching.